Big boy, what are you doing in there? You're not supposed to be drinking out of the toilet. Your water bowl's over there. Yeah, there's your water bowl right there. Yeah, there it is. Oh, there you go. Yes, there's our big boy. Hello. What are you doing? Can you talk to me? Hey? Can you talk to me? What are you doing? Yeah. You're a pretty big boy. Yes, you are. Are you a pretty boy? Yeah, he's a pretty boy. Yeah. What? What? Come on. Come on. What? What? What are you talking about? You want some supper? Hey? Buddy, you want some supper? Oh, it's a big scratch. What are you doing? I know. Are you starving? Are you starving? Yeah? Want some supper? Alright, we better get you some supper.